Vakadini amani shamwari. In today's tutorial, toda kuita past simsec question papers. Takatarisa the topic of matrices. Practice question yatikuda kuita ndeiyi iri kuti the matrix, that matrix is singular, find the possible values of x. Saka the color coding in this question, tichanyora zvamunofanirwa kupresenta as your answer in the examination using the color white. Asi kana takuda kuita illustrations, we have freedom to use whatever color we so wish. Saka question yedu tichiiverenga yakatipa a square matrix, but taudzwa kuti this matrix is singular, so we have to find the possible values of x. In order for us to be able to answer this question, tofanirwa kuundastanda kuti chii chinombonzi a singular matrix. Saka takadefine a singular matrix tichiti this is a matrix without an inverse. Saka kana matrix isina inverse inonzi a singular matrix. But izvo zvinomborevei kana tichiti a matrix haina an inverse. Since inverse yedu tichiwana as 1 over the determinant, then kuri kuti tanga chitsvaga the inverse of a, b, c, d, it will be 1 over the determinant, then we interchange a na d, panapa pana d apo pana a, we negate c na b, like this. Saka chandiri kuda kuratidzai ndechekuti the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix, it is given by 1 over its determinant multiplying this matrix, which is yakashunikwa kana chitaura nishona. Saka a matrix without an inverse, it means the determinant is equal to 0. Because 1 over 0 is infinity, it is non-applicable. We cannot calculate or compute 1 over 0. Saka kana tichiti a singular matrix, the easiest way of knowing a singular matrix, a matrix in a determinant equal to 0. And this is of vital importance. That's why we are boxing it in this color. Saka, let me repeat myself. A singular matrix is a matrix without an inverse. A singular matrix, it is a matrix with a determinant which is equal to 0. Saka kana taudzwa kuti, back to our question now, kana taudzwa kuti the matrix, that matrix is singular, find the possible values of x. Zvazviri kureva ndezvekuti tinofanirwa kuita sei? Tinofanirwa kuassume kuti the determinant of this matrix is going to be equal to 0. Saka togona kutozvinyora pasi kuti determinant of toti x plus 2, 6, 4x is equal to 0. Ndozvinoreva kuti it's singular. Then takati chii pakutsvaga the determinant? Takati kana chitsvaga determinant, tinomultiplya ino-ish like this term x plus 2 times x, saka chati x times x plus 2, then towata subtracta 6 times 4. Ndo matsvagiro atinoita a determinant. Saka tatsvaga determinant yedu nenzira yatakadzidzisa, tiri kuti it's equal to 0. Then let us solve kunoku. Here we remove brackets. X times x, the x squared, x times 2 plus 2x, then minus 6 times 4, the minus 6 to 18, 24. This is equal to 0. Then as you can see, tavane a quadratic equation. And the method we are going to use to solve this quadratic equation, we are going to use the method of factorization. So firstly, we check kuti this quadratic equation yakanyorwa in the correct format here. The correct format in mathematical terms tinenge tichiti ax squared plus bx plus c. Ino ishi inogona kunzi the general expression of a quadratic equation, kana kuti amwe mabhuku vanoiti the standard form. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation or expression. Anditka. But zvainongoreva in layman terms, tiri kuti tofanirwa kumeka sure kuti tatanga ne-inner squared x squared, totevera ingori na x 2x, tozopedzisira nenhamba. Saka tofanirwa kuita respect the order, totanga ne-a higher order which is squared, toenda pane to the power 1, tozopedzisira nepane to the power 0. Mapa understanda? Saka taona kuti ndo manyorero yakaitwa. After that, we have to multiply the first term and the last term. Saka cha multiply x squared times minus 24. Taking note kuti ndi minus 24. Urati panapa tichawana minus 24 x squared like that. Tawana minus 24 x squared. Then we are going to find the factors of minus 24x squared such that tika multiply ma factors yawo tofanirwa kuwana minus 24x squared. Asi kana tikama add oro kusubtracta tofanirwa kuwana 2x. Saka mawaniro atinomaita, ngatitange tatarisa manamba maviri atino multiply achitipa 24, asi somehow anozobuditsa 2. Saka tikatarisa, for example, what is 6 times 4? 6, 12, 18, 24. Saka tokunotora 6x panapa na 4x. Mapaona? Then tikaisa minus pano. Tikati 6x minus 4x, tinowana 2x. Asi tikati 6x times minus 4x, tinowana minus 24x squared. Saka mafactors edu tamawana zvakanaka. Tawana mafactors edu zvakanaka, chatakuita pano kureplace the middle term with these factors. Saka tinenge takuti x squared plus 6x minus 4x minus 24. This is equal to 0. Then togrupa tichishandisa mabrackets. Tika factor out x panapa inova x plus 6. Then panapa tovatati minus 4. To factor out minus 4. Ichava futi x panapa, because minus 4 times x ndiyo minus 4x. But pano teta kuti plus 6, because minus 4 times 6 ndiyo minus 24. This is equal to 0. A sure way of taking note kana kuti kuona kuti tanyora zvakanaka panapa, tinofanirwa kuti zviri mabrackets umu zvofanirwa kufanana. Saka bracket redu rino iri rina x plus 6, bracket redu rino rina x plus 6. Then tozongotora materms ari kunze tomagadzirira their own bracket, x minus 4, then we just take one bracket, x plus 6 is equal to 0. Saka kuti tichisolva tichiziva kuti x ndeyani pano, tenge takuti bracket rino iri x minus 4 riri equal to 0, oro bracket iri x plus 6 riri equal to 0. Logic iri kushanda panapa ndeyekuti, let us say we have two numbers multiplying, a times b. We already know kuti the product is going to be equal to 0. So what it means is, kana a na b zvichimultiply zvichitipa 0, zvinoreva kuti between a na b, at least one of them could be a 0. Mapaona. Let us say kuti a ndiye 0. Kurati pana penenge ya 0 times b inogona kuva any number. Ngatiti ndi 12. We know that 0 times 12 is equal to chi? To 0. And sakapa, the possibility where a is 0. We can say, oh, kana b ari 0. A anenge any number, let us say in the 13. So 13 times 0, it's also equal to 0. And the third possibility ndeyekuti both a and b are going to be 0. So 0 times 0 will be equal to chi? To 0. So what happens here is, kana tiine two terms, kana two brackets, ari kumultiplyana ari equal to 0. Kana tikada kuziva kuti x ndeyani, in this context, we are going to equate bracket rino iri to 0 and bracket iro to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 6 is equal to 0. Tosolva kunoku tinoona kuti x is equal to 4. Then tikasolva kuti tinoona kuti x is equal to minus 6. Saka our final answer teta kuti therefore x is equal to 4 or minus 6. Like this, that will be our answer. Tikadzoka question kwedu, the matrix x plus 2, 4, 6, x is singular. Find the possible values in plural of x. So the possible values of x ndi 4 kana kuti minus 6. You can verify this on your own. I can just tell you kuti muno verify, say you have to replace x unoyu na either 4 or minus 6, and then see kuti kana mukadaro munowana here a determinant of 0. Saka highlighting zvatabva kuita pano, chekutanga chachakanyanya kukosha kuziva kuti kana tichiti singular matrix tiri kurevei. Kana tichiti singular matrix tiri kureva a matrix isina inverse. Izvozvo zvatataura zvinoreva kuti determinant inenge iri equal to 0. Then tadaro tobva chechipiri chachakakosha kugona kutsvaga determinant. Tinoti iri panapa times irapo, like that. Tobva tati minus iri panapa times irapo. X times x plus 2 minus 6 times 4. It should be equal to 0, owing to the fact that it's a singular matrix. Then chachakazokosha pano kugona kusolve the quadratic equation tichinowana maanswers edu. Panapa ndopatinowana remarks dzedu. Kana muine mubvunzo, don't hesitate to use the comments or direct on our numbers. Let us go on to the next question. This is the practice question we want to look at. Before we get into it, may you please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, following, and commenting. Be part of the family, the MathHub family. Funzo wedu rikuti part A, P is a 2 by 3 matrix, Q is a 3 by 1 matrix, and PQ is equal to H. State the order of H. Saka ine 1 mark kureva kuti hatifaniri kunyanya kufunga. One thing you should understand is the number of marks should be an indicator of the effort you should apply. Kana question yakanzi 1 mark, typically hamufanirwe kudarika 1 minute muchifunga kuti munoiweka sei. Kana iri 1 mark, mukatoona makuda kufungisisa stereki pa 1 mark, pane a certain principle yakakunzvengai. Saka you have to be careful on that. Then kana yakanzi 2 marks, you don't have to exceed 2 marks dzekufunga kuti unowekwa sei, and also dzekugona kuiweka. So ma 1 mark, kana mukatomboda zvekutombofunga anything pama 1 mark, potentially pane principle yamusina kunyatsobata zvakanaka. So let us get to business. A, taudzwa kuti P is a 2 by 3 matrix, Q is a 3 by 1 matrix, and PQ is equals to H. State the order of H. Saka panapa tongoziva kuti the order of H and inge equal to chi. The order of H is equal to tichangoti 2 by 3 matrix multiplying a what? 3 by 1 matrix. Then toziva kuti we have to remove zviri pakati panapa like this, or that it's going to be a 2 by 1 matrix. That is going to be the order. Tinge tatopedza. Saka question iyi iri kungofunza kuti tinowana sei, like what we learned pataiti tinoziva sei the order of the product. Kuti tika multiply ma matrix tinoziva sei kuti order yawo ichava chii. So ndozviri kungotaura question iyo. So the order of H is going to be the order of, in fact mamuchigona kunyora makadai. So the order of H is equal to order of P times order of Q, and it like that. Then the order of P is 2 by 3 times the order of Q is 3 by 1. Then we have to remove zviri pakati. And our answer is a 2 by 1 matrix. And having done so, we get our 1 mark, 1 out of 1. Let us go to B. Saka B inofamba sei? B yakati matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 1 minus 3. 2, 3, 1 minus 3. Find A squared. Saka kuti tiwane A squared, we know kuti A squared inenge equal to 2, 3, 1 minus 3 multiplying 2, 3, 1 minus 3. Like that. And kana chimultiplier, tinoti chi row by column. We take a row from the first matrix, then we multiply with the column of the next matrix, like that. And in ma arrow aya ndinomaisira kuti andirangaridze all the time kuti zvinoitwa sei. So this is equal to, tobva tati chi, it's 2 times 2 plus 1 times 3, like that. 2 times 1 plus 1 times minus 3, like that. Then to end up our next row, 3 by 2 plus minus 3 by 3, and 3 by 1 plus minus 3 by minus 3, like that. Then tanga tichida kuita predetermine kuti A squared, order of A squared ichava chi, taigona kuzviwana quite easily. The order of A squared inenge equal to 2 by 2, because A is a 2 by 2 square matrix, times 2 by 2. Then we remove pakati, the order is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix, which is what we are getting here mukazvitarisisa. So this is equal to what? 2 times 2 ndi 4. Saka apa togona kuti it's 4 and plus 3. 2 times 1 ndi 2. Then 1 times minus 3 ndi minus 3. It's 2 plus minus 3, but we know kuti chava minus. 3 times 2 ndi 6, and minus 3 times 3 ndi minus 9, plus na minus inova minus panapa. Then panapa it's 3, minus 3 times minus 3 ndi 9, so it's 3 plus 9. Our final answer is going to be 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 6 minus 9, 7, 8, 9, minus 3, and 3 plus 9, chain 11, 12. This is our final answer. Yatopera. So if you have any questions, you know where to find us, the comments or on our numbers. But chiripano, let us just go through my highlights of this question. Then A yanga ichida ngofunza kuti tinogona here kutsvaga the order of product. Those Q yatanga tichifunzwa apo. We multiply the orders of the two matrices multiplying, then we remove zviri. Then manje ko B yanga ichibvunza kuti tinogona here kuita multiplication of matrices, and taona kuti kana chimultiply matrices, it's row by column, and we have done it until we got our final answer. Saka mark allocation, we see kuti here it's 2 marks. Saka teta towana our 2 marks. Let us go on to our next question. Let us look at this practice question. The determinant of a matrix A minus 1, 6, 9, 3 is 9. Find the value of A, and it's only 1 mark. Saka iyo tinoita say. We are told that the determinant of this matrix is 9. We have to find the value of A. Saka chatiri kuda kuita pano, tinoda kutsvaga the determinant and of this matrix A minus 1, 6, 9, 3. But tatoudziwa kuti it's equal to 9. So let us look at the left hand side. Kwatanyora kuti determinant of this matrix. Tone kuti tinoiwana sei. We know kuti the determinant, we are going to multiply this bracket A minus 1 times 3, that minus 6 times 9. So this is 9, and this is A, of course. This should be equal to 9. Mazona. So if we remove brackets panapa, 3 times A, that would be 3A, 3 times minus 1, the minus 3, then minus 6 times 9, it's minus 54. And this is equal to 9. Question yedu iri kuti find the value of A. Saka A in the ino-ish. Let us just simplify left hand side. Saka panapa tiri kuti 3A minus 3 minus 54 ndi minus 1 ndi minus 57. So minus 57 is equal to 9. 3A is equal to 9. Then minus 57 ikawea, that's plus 57. So 3A is equal to, what is 9 plus 57? It's equal to 66. Then it equal to 66 like this. If we divide both sides na 3, matrano chekana, A is equal to 3 into 3 into 1 into 6 into 2 into 6 into 2. So A is equal to 22. Tatopedza. Saka maona zvaitika apo. Tikada kuita quick recap. Question yedu yanga ichida kuona kuti tinogona here kutsvaga determinant. Then yanga ichida kuona zvakare kuti tinogona here kusolve basic algebraic equations. That is why this question was only awarded 1 mark. And as you can see, ibepara June 2017, and that was paper 1. So 1 mark. Like that. Saka hama dzangu, this is how it is done. You have any questions, you have to ask on our contacts or in the comments. Thank you. Let us go to our next question. Let us look at this practice question. Question here, the matrix A is equal to minus 2, 2, 14, x. and the determinant of A is equal to minus 2. Part A, find the value of x, and part B could hence find the inverse of A. So panapa, what we are expected to know, kana tichidaiso tesati mabato esaimukati todaiso, in terms of matrices, this means determinant of matrix A ndo zvazvinoreva, determinant of matrix A. Saka apo takuda kuanza question yedu manje kuti A ari equal to minus 2 to 14x, ndokuudzwa kuti the determinant of A yatinogona kunyora zvakare like this, togona kunyora determinant of A got det A, but let us use the formatting yatapiwa muquestion. The determinant of A is equal to minus 2. So part A iri kuti find the value of x. So kuti tiwane the value of x, we just have to use this equation. Determinant of A is equal to minus 2. Then we focus with the left hand side. Determinant of A tinoiwana sei, tinoti minus 2 times x, so that minus 2e times 14. That is how we find the determinant, and we are told this is equal to minus 2. So let us solve this equation. Minus 2 times x minus 2x minus 2 times 14 minus 28 is equal to minus 2, like that. Then tikaendesa kunoku tichati minus 2x is equal to 28 minus 2. 28 minus 2 is 26, minus 2x is equal to 26. Divide everything by minus 2. Minus 2 anochekana kunoku, x is equal to 2 into 21, apo 1, apo 3. Saka x are equal to minus 13. That is where we find our 1 mark, like that. Maona kuti zviri kufamba sei. Okay, let us go and look at B. B yakati we have to find the inverse of A. Saka B handika iri kuti titsvage the inverse of A, which we know the inverse of A is going to be equal to 1 over the determinant of A. Then we look at this matrix A, then turns out we have to interchange minus 2 na x, correct? Panapa ndo panenge paina x, apo paina minus 2. Then panapa we have to negate 2 na 14, correct? Inova minus 2, inova minus 14, like that. Andika? Then this is equal to 1 over, taudzwa kuti the determinant in minus 2. Saka minus yacho tinongoisa kumusoro, totaisa 2 panapa, because we do not favor writing negatives in the denominator. So that is how we do it. Panapa todai so. X iyo takuireplace nevalue yotawana minus 13. Saka minus 13 panapa. Pana minus 2. Taita interchange. Then minus 2 minus 14. This is going to be the determinant. Saka panapa it's 2 marks. Up again it's 2 marks. And this is going to be the inverse. So question yanga iri relatively easier, because yanga ichibvunza kuti chekutanga tinoziva here kuti bar A bar zvinoreva kuti determinant of A. Then chechipiri tinogona here kutsvaga determinant yacho, ndo chimwe chachibvunzwapo. Then tagona kutsvaga determinant, tozogona here kusolve a basic equation inotipa x is equal to minus 13. Panapa tinoziva here kuti inverse yematrix inowanikwa sei, 1 over determinant nematrix yacho yakashunikwa shunikwa, then tobva tazongoreplacer determinant the value of x. Zvatopera. Any questions, direct them to our numbers or comments. Otherwise, let us go to our next question. Let us look at this question. Given that a is equal to 2 minus 35y and b is equal to minus 43 and c is equal to 5, 2 minus 4 minus 9. Part 1. Find the value of y for which a has no inverse. Saka let us do part 1. Part 1 iri kuda kuti titsvage the value of y of which a has no inverse. Saka kana a isina inverse, zvinoreva kuti the determinant of a inenge iri equal to 0. But you can write this as a statement. Handiti, if a has no inverse, kuti munyatso-communicate na examiner, if a has no inverse, therefore the determinant of a is equal to 0. In other terms, a inonzi as singular matrix. You understand? Then tadai so much. Part 1 iri kuda kuti titsvage the value of y for which a has no inverse. Saka let us use this equation. The determinant of a is equal to 0. Determinant of a tinoiwana sei? Tinouya pana a. We know kuti determinant tinoti 2 times y. That minus 3 times 5. Minus 3 times 5. This should be equal to 0. And saka 2 times y subtracting minus 3 times 5. 2 times y and 2y. Then panapa minus 3 times 5 be minus 15. Saka inova minus 15. This is equal to 0. 2y minus na minus ukasangana zvinoita plus. So inova plus 15 is equal to 0. Then plus 15 ikauya kuside kunoita minus. Saka 2y iri equal to minus 15. We divide both sides na 2. Kureva kuti y iri equal to minus 15 over 2. Tokunangoisiya iri improper fraction like that. Handika? Find the value of y for which a has no inverse. So statement iri rakakosha. If a has no inverse, that means cannot therefore the determinant of a is equal to 0. Then tatashandisa mechanics dzatoziva kutsvaga the determinant. 2 times y subtracting minus 3 times 5. You see? Blah, 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 blah. Towana our answer is y is equal to minus 15 over 2. So hazvanzi kudini. Part 2 yequestion iri kuti evaluate a plus c using the value of y in part 1. Saka to evaluate a plus c, let me use a different color kutira kuti zvisavhiringidza. So this will be our calculation. Toda kuevaluate a plus c but using the value of y in part 1. Saka a ndiani? A ndi 2 minus 3 5, then pana y panani minus 15 over 2 plus for c ndiani? C ndi 5 2 minus 4 minus 9 like that. So let us add these two using correspondence. But remember, kuti zvinhu zvikwanise kuaddana, remember what we learned. They should be of the same order. Kureva kuti having the same number of rows and columns, which is our case there. This is equal to 2 plus 5, 5 plus minus 4. And I encourage kutonyora kuti 5 plus minus 4 kuitira kuti musakanganisa pama sign up. We cannot afford losing marks to simple and silly arithmetic errors. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 15 over 2 plus minus 9. That this is equal to 7 then apo it's 4 plus minus 4 kureva kuti it's 5 plus minus 4 kureva kuti ndi 5 minus 4 which is 1. Minus 3 plus 2 ndi minus 1. Panapa it's minus 15 over 2 plus minus 9. Sandogona yedu kuenda ku rough paper kwedu tone simplify minus 15 over 2 plus minus ndi minus, so it's minus 9 over 1. Saka apa inongova 1 times minus 15, 2 times minus 9 over 2. Andika? 2 into 2, 1, 1 times minus 15, minus 15. 1 into 2 into 2, 2 times minus 9 into minus 18. This is equal to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's actually minus 33 over 2. Saka panapa, tuyateta ungonyora. Minus 32, minus 33 over 2. That will be our final answer. As easy as that. Okay. Then let us look at, this is a paper 2 question. That's why yakakura. We now want to look at part 3. Irikuda tichage the inverse of C. Part 3 irikuda tichage the inverse of C. So let us do part 3 acho. We have to know the C in there and before we can find its inverse. C in the 5, 2 minus 4 minus 9. 5, 2 minus 4 minus 9, like that. DLC. Then we have to find the determinant of C. The determinant of C is equal to 5 times minus 9 subtracting 2 times minus 4. This is equal to minus 40 minus 2 times minus 4 plus 8. Whatever kuti this is equal to minus 32. So it means kuti therefore the inverse of C is equal to minus 1 over 32 from 1 over determinant. We interchange 5 na minus 9, kuroti minus 9 panapa 5 apo. And we negate 2 na minus 4, kuroti minus 2 panapa 4 apo. Tatoara the inverse irikudi kwa. Okay, let us now go to the last part 4 irikuti evaluate BC. So kuti tite evaluate BC, we have to know kuti B ndiani. So uya kumsoro kuno B ndi minus 4, 3, like this. Or C ndiani. Tukaya futi ukutaona kuti C ndi 5, 2 minus 4 minus 9, like this. Saka tanzi tite evaluate BC. So BC ngeri equal to chi. Remember kuti kana chi multiply ma matrix kuti BC nekuti CB zvakatosiyana. BC is equal to CB. So please order yakakosha. Order is very important. Order of appearance. So let us do that like that. BC equal to minus 4, 3 multiplying 5, 2 minus 4 minus 9, like that. We know kuti when we are multiplying, it has to be row by column. We don't have to necessarily trouble ourselves with it or not. Can we actually multiply these two because that also what to multiply? So we act from a presupposition here which we can multiply. You get it? And this is equal to what? So it becomes minus 4 times 5 plus 3 times 2, like this. Then you have so itachi minus 4 times minus 4 plus 3 times minus 9, like that. Then utanga tichida kuita presuppose. kuti order yedu inenge yakamira sei paanswer yedu. This one is tine 1 row and 2 columns, so it's a 1 by 2 multiplying this, of course it's a 2 by 2 square. Tikabvisa zviri apo, answer yedu should be a 1 by 2, which is where we are going to. And saka this is equal to what? Teta kuti minus 4 times 5 minus 20 plus 6 upon the 16, 9, 9, 18, 27, so 16 minus 27. So our final answer inenge iri minus 14. And then what is 16 minus 27? 7 minus 6 and 1, so it's minus 11. That's our final answer. Minus 20 plus 6 minus 14, and it is 16 plus 11 in not part 27. Could 16 minus 27 should be minus 11. So that is how we answer that question. I hope I did justice, and I also hope kuti mabata kuti zvinoitwa sei. Any questions, do not hesitate to ask. So thank you for watching. I hope pane zvamadzidza. Do not forget to subscribe and also like, follow, comment, share. Do not also forget to ask kana paine any area yamusonanyatso kubata kana kunzwisisa. Thank you and have a nice one.